Hello everyone. Let us see question number 27, which carries 1 mark. Part of the flower that develops into fruit and part of the seed that develops into root respectively are. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಇನ ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಇನ ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಸೀಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ? ಯು ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ has male and female part, right? This male part includes stamen, whereas female part includes pistil. In that ovary, ovules are present. Each ovule contains egg cells. When that cells come into contact with male germ cells, when they fuses, fertilization happens, thus leading to zygote, and zygote in the seeds are. And now, which part of the flower that develops into fruit and part of the seed that develops into root ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ovary. Ovary develops into fruit. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓವರಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ germ cell, male and female germ cells. And plumule, no. Plumule develops into future stem. Therefore, this answer is wrong. Option B, plumule and radicle. Plumule is wrong. Plumule is not developed to fruit. Radicle is develops, radicle develops to root. This one is correct, but whole answer, that is option B, is wrong. Option C, ovary and radicle. Yes. Option C is correct. Option D, ovary, correct, and ovule. No, this is wrong. Therefore, the correct option is option C, ovary and radicle. Ovule. ಹೇಳಿದೆ ovule ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓವರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That ovule contains egg cell. So, option D also wrong. Option C is correct answer. Thank you.